Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Usha. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my engineering diploma from Priyadarshini Polytechnic, and after that I have completed my engineering degree from JWCT College, Nagpur, Maharashtra in the year of 2023. So after that I was searching for a job, and that I move about the Evision Technoserve. So Evision Technoserve is a IT recruitment consulting company. So after getting all information, I joined full day job internship program in Evision Technoserve. So with the help of Evision, I learn a lot of things, just like various types of modules, just like a virtualization, CCNA, cyber security, ITIL, and types of networks, and types of networking devices, just like router, switch, hub, and many more things, just like Windows installation and Outlook, and ticketing tools like a ServiceNow ticket, and various things. So uh, after that I got selected in a TCS under the payroll of Psych IT Solution Private Limited, where I got a good salary package in a 2.3 LPA. So I would like to thanks all the Evision family for their best support and best teaching. So thank you so much.